Hello, this is my video about the Roland KT-10. I'm going to do first impressions. I'm going to try it as a double kick because I bought two of them. And I'm going to tell you about its specs, adjustability, and what I like about it and what I don't like about it. And that was the hardest intro I think I've ever done on the channel. I have bought not just one Roland KT-10, but I've bought two with my hard-earned money for some reason. And my first impression is that actually it's incredibly heavy. It's 3 kilograms according to Google, and I guess the reason for that is that it's basically an entire bass drum pedal, but with all of the electronic gubbins inside it as well. And it seems to have a lot of features and a lot of adjustability, so let's get straight into that. The first thing is it's got some spikes, just like you would have on a regular bass drum pedal, the kind that stop it from slipping around on carpet and that scratch a wooden floor to pieces. And it also comes with some adjustability in both the beater and in the spring itself as well. So there's a little screw that you can undo on the bottom, and then you can slide this forwards and backwards, and that's going to give you adjustable spring tension. There are also these weights within the, I'm going to say, beater, and you can remove them by undoing the little grub screws on the bottom. It comes with an Allen key straight out of the box, which is going to fit those and give you the ability to remove them or move them back. There are 3 different holes there, 2 different weights, and you can put them wherever you like. And the beater itself has got this kind of chrome finish, which is really, really nice, sort of curved part on the top, and it hits a sort of slightly soft pad, which I thought that would trigger, which it didn't. Oh, that's because this is the one that isn't plugged in. Sorry. Which hits that and then it works. I can't believe I just did that. Now the KT-10 is supposedly 75% quieter when the beater hits the pad than its predecessor, the KT-9. But what's more interesting than that really is that it comes with the output, which is of course where you plug it into your electronic kit or sampling pad. It also has a mix in, which totally baffled me until I read the instruction manual. So apparently you can connect one of these to another one of these, and it's going to give you a double kick pedal, which is really cool because it's only going to use still one of the inputs on the back of your kit. But apparently, if you do that, it will lower the sort of input level that it gives you on the kit. So you have to adjust that then back up so that it's basically the same as all the other pads. So let's try this as a double kick. I'm not the best with double kick, but let's try it and see how it feels. So what are my final thoughts on the Roland KT-10? To be honest, if I wasn't filming this video, I wouldn't be wholly aware that I wasn't using regular kit pedals, so that's a big tick for me. If I set them up a little bit better, they'd feel a lot more like my Tama Speed Cobras that I use on my TD30. I think I'm going to bring the beater a little closer to the pad, and I'm definitely going to put those spikes down because it's still sliding around on the carpet despite them weighing 3 kilos each. They're not cheap, 200 quid a piece, but as with most of the Roland stuff that I've owned, it's pretty good quality really. It tends to last for a long time and it tends to hold its money. The only reason I bought new was actually that the cheapest I could find used was kind of about £170, so I was like, well, for second hand with no guarantee, I might as well pay the extra 30 quid. And some of those were collection only, they wouldn't even post them, so I would have had to go and get them. So for the time saving and the cost saving, I just decided that new was actually going to be better for me. And of course they come with a warranty as well. And with that, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video and subscribe for more electronic drum tips. Hopefully I'll see you before too long. Bye bye for now.